So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here these 4 questions to answer on the topic motion. So guys, this video will be about relative motion, so ensure to stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, a motorcyclist passing a road junction moves due west for 8 seconds at a uniform speed of 5 meters per second. He then moves due north for 6 seconds with the same speed. At the end of the 6 seconds, his displacement from the road junction is 50 meters in the direction of A. 37 degrees east of north, B. 37 degrees west of north, C. 53 degrees west of north, and D. 53 degrees east of north. So guys, for this we are going to actually plot the graph of the movement here. So first of all, it says here the guy moves due west. So guys, that's in the leftward direction this way. So he moved for 8 seconds with a speed of 5 meters per second. So if we want to get the distance here, the distance will be the speed times the time. So 8 times 5 is 40 here. So the distance is 40 meters here due west, and then he moved again for 6 seconds due north, but at the same speed. So that's 5 meters per second times 6, so that's 30 meters. So guys, if we complete this into a right angle, this will be in this format. Then we have the displacement here to be 50 meters. So guys, in order for us to get the direction of the displacement and the angle as well, we are going to use that tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So if the angle forms at this point and here is a 90 degree, the side lying here is the adjacent side, while the side lying opposite the angle here is the opposite here. So guys, in that case, we have tan theta to be 40 over 30, where tan theta is equal to 4 over 3, and then theta will be tan inverse of 4 over 3, and that's 53 degrees. So guys, checking the direction here, the motorcyclist actually moved 53 degrees west of north, and that's option C here. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. So the next question we have here is question number 2. It says 2 cars X and Y traveling in opposite directions along the same highway at a uniform velocity of 110 km per hour and 90 km per hour respectively pass each other at a certain point. The velocity of X relative to Y at the time they pass each other is. So guys, if we want to find their relative velocity here, we have to note the direction of their movement. So guys, for this, the direction of movement of X and Y are opposites. Therefore, the relative velocity will be the addition of their individual velocities here. So 110 km per hour plus 90 km per hour is 200 km per hour, and that's option C here, guys. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. So the next question we have here is question number 3. It says the driver of a car moving with a uniform speed of 40 meters per second observes a truck approaching in the opposite direction with a speed of 20 meters per second. Calculate the speed of the car relative to the truck. Okay, so guys, for this here, the speed of the car relative to the truck here again will be the addition of their velocities, since the driver moving with the uniform velocity observes a car approaching him, so which means the 2 cars are moving in opposite directions. So when we add 40 meters per second to 20 meters per second, will have 60 meters per second, and that's option B here. So that's the answer to this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next and last question, guys. So the next and last question we have here, question number 4, says a car P with a velocity of 30 meters per second is traveling in the same direction as a car Q with a velocity of 20 meters per second. The velocity of P relative to Q is. So guys, let's note that these two cars are traveling in the same direction. So the relative velocity here of P over Q will be the velocity of P minus the velocity of Q. So guys, we have here 30 meters per second minus 20 meters per second, and that's 10 meters per second. So option D here is the answer to this question, and that's it for this question, guys. So this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.